Don't
Don't move, anak. Don't move away from daddy.
Well, you're lifting your head up.
Daddy, what are you gonna do?
You can do it, Jared.
Daddy, practice, huh?
Yeah,
Promise.
Yes.
I don't think you're going to.
No, I promise. Okay.
Huh?
Oh.
Huh?
When I tie it like that, finish. I will remove Kolokoy. I will not remove.
Okay.
Sweet. I'm trying to remove it. Kolokoy. What? What? No, I will remove it. You want me to remove or what? Yeah. How can I? Watch what?
Papa Shell.
Ay, Kolokoy. Yan na.